Hello viewers, welcome to Girls Dairy. Today we are making a simple and nourishing homemade lip balm using just a few natural ingredients. Let's get started. Take a small bowl and add 1 tablespoon of beeswax pellets. Beeswax pellets helps to create smooth and consistent texture in your lip balm. Now adding 2 tablespoons of shea butter to it. It is a primary moisturizing ingredient. It can help to thicken the lip balm mixture and creates a more luxurious texture. Adding 2 vitamin E capsules to it. Vitamin E oil locks in moisture and helps to repair dry and chapped lips. It promotes healthy and youthful looking lips. Adding half tablespoon of Vaseline. Vaseline creates a barrier on the lips, shielding them from the wind, cold weather and dry air. Adding a few drops of olive oil to the mixture. Now take a small part from your favorite lipstick and add it to the mixture. Here I am using matte lipstick. The shade name is Flat Out Fabulous. There is a review video available on 26 matte lipsticks. Please do check it out. Mix all the ingredients well. Now let's melt the mixture using double boiler method. Keep the flame on low. Melt until there are no lumps in it. Now take any container and transfer the liquid into it. You can keep it in the refrigerator or leave it in the room temperature for 1 hour. As you can see, the lip balm is ready to use. You can customize the ingredients according to your choice and store it in room temperature. You can carry it with you and use whenever you want to get the soft and supple lips. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to Girls Dairy.